Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of video editing with a review of Dehancer's plugin and its innovative mobile app. The folks over at Dehancer reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in reviewing their plugin for Adobe Premiere Pro. And I said yes, because as a filmmaker, video editors, content creators, we are always on the lookout for video editing tools that can elevate our videos into the next level. So when Dehancer reached out to me, I knew I had to see what the plugin can do. Dehancer is not paying me for the video, they are not telling me what to say, and they won't review this video before it's posted. I want to express my gratitude to Dehancer for considering my channel for this opportunity. It means a lot to me, and I'm always thrilled to explore tools that can enhance our video editing experience. Dehancer is a plugin designed for video editing software. It's compatible with Final Cut, DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, and others. But in this video, we'll focus on Adobe Premiere Pro. The plugin is a game changer when it comes to color grading. It delivers professional grade results with ease. Its main purpose is to enhance the visual quality of video footage by providing a range of tools for color correction and filmic effects. But what really sets Dehancer apart is its ability to replicate the look and feel of a traditional film. Whether you are going for a vintage vibe or a more cinematic aesthetic, Dehancer has got you covered. Installing the plugin is very easy. Once you purchase it, just extract the zip file and follow the steps. Now let's get into Premiere Pro. Once you have it installed, you can access it from your effect panel. Just search for Dehancer. Simply drag and drop it directly on your footage or use an adjustment layer. Now this is what it looks like. Under profiles, you can see all the film profiles that is available for you to choose from. It is advised that you first of all make all your color adjustments, then use Dehancer to apply the look you are going for. Inside of Dehancer, there are a lot of tools that come together to create a seamless film look. If you shoot your video yourself and you know the camera you use, you can go to source, choose camera, come down here and choose the particular camera. Then you have these settings here that you can use to balance your footage. Now if you come under film, this is the particular area that makes Dehancer what it is. According to Dehancer, this is the heart and soul of the plugin. All these profiles here are accurately sampled film looks. Just to show you a little thing, let's use this particular footage. The temperature is a bit cold for me, it's on the blue side, so I'll adjust it a little bit. I'll make it a little bit warmer. All you have to do now is choose your profile, make some adjustment, look at other tools that you might want to apply to the footage, and you have your look. If you are adjusting your settings here and you can't see it take effect on your video, make sure you check this box to enable the effect. After applying the tool and making some adjustments, here is the before and after. Let me show you other things that you can do with Dehancer. Starting with film grain emulation. One of its prominent features is the ability to emulate film grain. This adds a subtle texture to the footage, replicating the organic look of a traditional film. Let's see this footage for example. So here is the before, this is how the footage looks like, and then with the grain. And next, let's talk about halation. Let me show you what it does. You can see the effect it caused around the light. So this is the before and this is the after. There are a lot of tools packed into Dehancer. If you want to go through all of these tools, we'll be here all day. Just try them out so you can see for yourself what Dehancer is capable of. All these tools here give you 100% power to create accurate film look. This plugin is indeed a game changer. It's really powerful. I suggest you check it out. You can go on Dehancer's website for more information. And let's not forget about the mobile app. Included within the app is a comprehensive photo and video editor. The video editing suite offers additional features like gate wave and film breaks. The Dehancer app is compatible with both iPhone and iPads. The grading tools and functionalities closely match those available on the desktop plugin. As you can see, it has everything you need to take your videos and pictures to the next level. As a special offer to my viewers, you can get a 10% discount on the desktop plugin using my promo code Pairpics Visuals. So be sure to take advantage of that. In conclusion, Dehancer has exceeded my expectation. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Dehancer will work for you. The plugin and mobile app delivers professional results with little effort. So don't hesitate to give it a try and take your color grading to the next level. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video and you want to keep seeing more content like this, don't forget to like, share, drop a comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye.